In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from emails on Substack. If your inbox is getting crowded with Substack updates, the quickest way to quiet things down is to change your notification settings right from your account. Start by heading to substack.com and make sure you're signed in. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the account menu. Depending on your view, it may appear as your profile photo, your initials, or a More option. Click that to open the drop-down menu. This menu is where Substack keeps all of your personal controls, so it's the starting point for managing what reaches your inbox. From that dropdown, choose Settings. This opens your account settings in a new page. Think of this as your control center. Everything from your profile to notifications lives here. We're interested in the communication side, so next we'll go to the area that specifically handles emails and alerts. Inside Settings, find and click Messaging. You'll usually see this listed in the sidebar or across the top as one of the tabs. The messaging section collects your notification preferences in one place, so you don't have to track them down for each publication individually. It's designed to help you set the overall tone for how often Substack contacts you. Once you're in messaging, click Turn Off All. This is the master switch that stops email notifications from Substack. When you toggle this off, you'll no longer receive the usual newsletters, announcements, or updates by email from the platform. You can still read posts on the Substack website or app whenever you like. You're simply pausing the flow of messages to your inbox. There's no separate save button here. Changes apply immediately. So after you click it, you're done. If you prefer a lighter touch rather than silence across the board, you can stay in the same area and selectively turn off specific categories instead of using the global switch. That way, you can keep only the updates you actually find helpful. And a quick note, some transactional messages like receipts or essential account notices may still arrive, even with most notifications off. If you continue getting emails from a specific publication, use the unsubscribe link at the bottom of that email to stop messages from that sender specifically. That's all it takes. Open the More menu, go to Settings, head into Messaging, and choose Turn Off All. You can return here anytime to change your mind. Enjoy a cleaner inbox, and check Substack on your own schedule whenever you're ready to read.